Hey guys, welcome back to Turner's Turn Up. In today's video, we're going to share some moments from our recent visit to one of our favorite Jackson, Mississippi restaurants, the Iron Horse Grill. Iron Horse Grill is one of Jackson's most popular restaurants. They offer catering service. There are event spaces included, and you will see that here in the video. And the most interesting part, well, my favorite part of the restaurant is the Blues Museum, located upstairs on the second floor. The Iron Horse Grill is also most known for its live music. You can see here the live stage from the second floor. On today, I'm meeting friends for lunch, so I didn't get to record any. However, there is live music on most days after about 6 o'clock. The menu boasts a wide range of options from grilled meats, of course, to fried chicken dishes. Also, there's Mexican flair, seafood, if that is your thing. On this particular day, because it was just lunch, I opted for just good old American pub, which was the hamburger and fries, because I wanted to save room for one of my favorite items at the Iron Horse Grill, and that is the fried broccoli. If you are ever in Jackson, Mississippi, and you go to the Iron Horse Grill, you must try the fried broccoli. Also located on the second floor of the restaurant is the Mississippi Musicians Hall of Fame Museum. It contains life-size sculptures of some of our favorite Mississippi blues artists. It's such a fun way to learn about them. always enjoy Iron Horse Grill no matter what time of day I go. It's just a cool restaurant with good food, fun vibes, and friendly people. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. See you next time.